Welcome back to How's It Helen, where you learn something different every day. On your right is the old driver's seat from my 2006 Volkswagen Golf. As you can see, the seat has holes and torn fabric due to wear and tear and the cheap materials used. Today, I'll be replacing the passenger seat with this one, which I bought from Facebook Marketplace. Both the driver's and passenger seats have basically the same replacement procedure. Okay, let's start. Move the seat all the way forward. The seat railings have trim covers and screw cover. Remove the screw cover first. I'm using a safety pin to remove it, like so. When the screws are exposed, use a regular screwdriver to remove the screw on both sides. Remove the screw and then remove the railing cover. Do the same thing on the other side. Slide the seat backwards to work in front of the seat. Using this 13mm socket, remove these two 13mm knots. Once the knots are removed, tilt the seat forward to expose the wires at the bottom. There are plugs at the bottom of the seat that we need to remove. Press the locking tab on the plug and pull it off the connector. One of the plugs has a procedure to remove. Lift the outer cover of the plug, press down on the plug mechanism, then pull the plug out of the connector. With the plugs off the seat, take the seat out of the car to replace it. Put the plugs back in their place. Put back the screws in front. Tighten them with a socket wrench. And that's how you replace a car seat in a 2006 Volkswagen Golf. My name is Helen. You know how it is. Thank you for watching.